Today we are going to see how to call a crystal report from VB6. The crystal report is being connected to the Oracle database. So let's start. First we need to add a reference for the crystal report. We should add crystal report ActiveX Designer 8.5 to the reference because we need two objects. One is crystal application and another is crystal report, which is cracksdat.application and cracksdat.report. So let's add the reference. As you can see, we are adding this one, crystal report 8.5 ActiveX Designer runtime library. Now we will add the component from the project which is required to add the crystal report control to the form. This crystal report control is the crystal report viewer where the report will be shown. This is crystal report control and crystal report viewer control. Now let's add the crystal report viewer control on the form 1. Let us keep the name CUR viewer for this control. Now we should add another form from where this report will be invoked. Form 2 is the calling form where we will add one button. From this button we will call the form 1 where the crystal report is embedded. Let's name it PTN OK, and we will go to the button click event of this form, of this button. Now as you can see the code here. Now let's study the code a little bit. First we have declared two objects. One is ChrysApp and another is ChrysRep. ChrysApp is the crystal report application and ChrysRep is the crystal report. We open the report by the crystal application and assign it to the crystal report. As you can see, the report is located at V drive. The name of the report is basic_rep.rpt. Now from the application, there is an object called database which have a OLEDB source where we should provide the connection string. As you know about the connection string, which is required to open a database. Here the provider is MST Aura .1. This is user ID, password, data source is Aura, which is the DNS name, that is service name, Now we open the record set with the SQL statement. As we can see, there are two objects. One is connection object and another is record set object. This is required to create the ADUDB.connection and ADUDB.record set, for which you need the reference Microsoft ActiveX data object 2.5 library. There are also other versions, but we are using 2.5 library. Now we will declare these two variables. One is m_con and another is m_recset. m_con is a connection object which is ADUDB.connection, and m_recset is the record set object, which is actually ADUDB.record set. After this, you are going to see, you will open the connection object, open the database with the connection object by providing connection string. As you can see, we have provided the connection string for the connection object. The connection string is the same as it is provided in the add OLEDB source. We have provided the connection string, we have provided the connection, and we have provided the SQL code. To select exit code, designate from designation master. This output will be shown in the report. As you can see, we have set the record set to the database table set data source. We have also provided discard save data, because when we have created the report, we have provided some SQL by which some report is generated there, some data is saved into that. So when we will generate new report, we will discard the previous saved data in the Crystal report, and new data will be generated as per the SQL statement is given. Now let's run the report. As you can see, the report is being generated. There are two fields, desig code, desig_code and desig_name. You can further, this is just a demo report. You can resize the control, you can resize the form, make as you want. So that's all how report is being called from VB6 using Crystal Report 2.5. Just go through the code once again. This is the actual code which is required to generate the Crystal Report from VB6. You need 4 main objects. One is Crystal application, one Crystal report, one connection object, one record set object, and you also need one Crystal viewer control, which is physically embedded in the design time on form 1. And the report is actually called by the crview report. So that's all guys. This is how Crystal report is being called from VB6.